Hello and welcome back to Treblle. Today we're announcing a new feature to API Insights. We've recently released the Compare feature, which allows you to compare your API Insights score to others within your industry. Let's have a look at how that might work. I've downloaded two OpenAPI specifications, one for OpenAI and one for Mistral. We're going to start with the Mistral. So as usual, I drag and drop that into my API Insights application. I can see that I'm getting an F with a score of 50, D for design, D for performance, and F for security. Now I've actually reviewed this API before. Check our YouTube for more information. But let's just go down and look at this new feature right at the bottom. So as you can see, we've got a compare your results option. Now we can unlock powerful insights by comparing your API results against a vast array of diverse APIs within your industry. All you've got to do is select your industry. There's a set of standard ones already in there, but this one obviously is artificial intelligence. So if I select and compare, I can see overall the Mistral API is not quite up to par across the industry standard for AI APIs. Quite interesting. It's very close on performance, ish on design, but when it comes to security and overall performance and comparing against the industry, it's not doing so great. So what we're going to do now is let's open up another tab and we're going to have a look at OpenAI and let's see how that compares to the industry as well. So drop that specification in there, we'll wait for it to do its magic. And this time we've got a D, which is 63 out of 100. We've got with D for design, D for performance, and D for security. Again, we'll scroll right down to the bottom here, and we'll compare our results against artificial intelligence industry and compare. This time, we're doing a little bit better. So overall, we're very close. Design, we're just off. Performance, we're ever so slightly off, but security, we're actually doing better compared to the industry standard for AI APIs. So that's a bonus. You can see the blue is your API specification and your score, and the green is the industry standard kind of API Insight score that's been detected. So that's the new update to API Insights. How do you think it would be useful for you? Let us know in the comments. What's going to come next? Catch you later.